Welcome to the next part of this series. So in this part we are going to see how we can create Langchain Text Splitter. In previous parts we have seen how we can load the data from the text file as well as from the PDF. Install the necessary libraries. So for that we will be needing Langchain Text Splitter's library. So let's do pip install Langchain Text Splitters. Let's start creating the code. From Langchain Text Splitters, import Recursive Character Text Splitter. Recursive Character Text Splitter, it takes two parameters, chunk size. Let's give it something like 40 characters. And chunk overlap. So let's give it maybe 10 characters. It's basically for the contextual information. That overlapping really helps. So now let's print the documents. And in that, I'm gonna pass the variable. So this is where we loaded the documents. ._doc and let's print the variable 2. So that's how we have splitted the textual file into different documents here. So you can see the type is document here. And the page content is this one. So the chunk size basically is your character size, and the chunk overlap is sort of, you can see here. So, I think it's just done. Maybe let's give it 20. So it becomes a bit more clear. As you can see, has become the, so like this thing is overlapping here. From the official Langchain document, you can see the maximum number of characters, that's your chunk size, and for the chunk overlap, it's the number of overlapping characters. So it can be usually percentage, or here it's the character size.